Hello Redwood class. So today in Phonics we're going to play a really fun game. We're going to get really physical and we're going to play tricky word target practice. Now to do this, first of all I need to explain to you, you don't need to go and get anything right now. You can watch the video first and then you can replay it and play along after. It will be much easier. So first of all we need to make our targets. And all we need is some paper. So I've cut lots of paper up like this. It doesn't matter what colour you have. You can have any paper, any size, any shape, whatever you like, and a pen. And we're going to begin by writing some tricky words on the paper. Okay, so I'm going to be writing some tricky words. I'm going to write a few tricky words. I'm going to remember my here we goes and off we goes at the same time. So I've written said, that's a tricky word, and I'm going to write you. I'll do one more so you can see and then I can move on. And I'm going to write into. Now it's up to you, you can choose whichever tricky words you like, whichever ones you find the easiest to write or the easiest to remember, or you can challenge yourself and you can write some really hard tricky words. So that's the beginning, that's all we need to do for now. And then I need to find somewhere where we can stick up our targets. So I've got some blue tack here, or you can use tape, or in fact you don't even have to stick them, you can just lay them out on the floor. I'll show you what I mean in 1 minute. So here we go, I'm going to stick my targets up. Okay. So I've decided to stick my targets with my tricky words up on my garden fence. So I'm using some blue tack and I'm just going to push them on the garden fence just like that. So like I said before, if you don't have a garden or you're not in the garden, you're inside, then you can put them anywhere. You can put them on the back of the door, you can put them on the floor, you can put them on the wall. It's completely up to you, or actually up to your parents or your carers, whoever's there looking after you. So I've decided to put them on the garden fence. So the object of the game is that you're going to throw something at the target. So you can play this game on your own, or you can play with as many people as you like in your house. So I'm going to begin by showing you how I do it on my own, okay? So you can use a ball, or a soft teddy bear, or hedgehog. Another funky little squishy ball that I found. If you don't have anything like that, you can just use a rolled up pair of socks. Whatever you have in your house, you find something that you can throw at your targets, okay? But it has to be soft, nothing too hard. I don't want your mummies and daddies, anybody coming back to Miss McNeely and telling her off. So something soft, okay? So I'm going to use a ball. So I'm going to play on my own. So I'm going to take a few steps back, like this, and I'm going to just shout out a tricky word that I want to hit with the ball. So, you. Yes, first time. Into. Oh, I can try again. And again. I did it! This time I'm going to use the teddy. I think it might be a little bit easier. So I'm going to use Mr. Hedgehog here. So I'm going to choose the word me. Oh yes, well done. That was a good one. So you understand, that's how you can play it on your own. Now I'm going to show you how you can play it with somebody else in your house.
Rolling.
Okay, Prim, can you find the tricky word she? Off you go, find she. Find she. Where is it, Prim? That's said. Where's she? Good girl, Prim, you found it. She. Well done. Isn't she a clever dog, Redwood children? Mwah. Good girl, Prim. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I'm going to play with somebody else in my house, and I'm using my son, Thomas. Say hi, Thomas.
Hello.
So, Thomas, are you ready? What would you like to use? You can use the hedgehog, a rolled up pair of socks, a ball. The hedgehog. Thomas is going to use the hedgehog. So, are you ready? Thomas, can you hit the word have? Yay! Good boy, Thomas! Come back, Thomas, you can have another go. Can you hit the word? Not you, Prim. Not you. Come here. You can have a go in a minute. Can you hit the word into?
Where is it?
Yay! Well done. So you can see you can have fun on your own. You can have fun with your dogs or your pets, and you can have fun with your siblings or your parents or your carers, whoever's in your house. So Prim, do you want to come and say goodbye? Turn around. This way. Here, sit. Sit. Paw. Say bye, Redwood. Good girl. Bye, Redwood. See you soon. Okay, and that's it for today. Have fun playing my game.